How to turn on AirPlay in Apple TV. In order to turn on AirPlay in Apple TV, all you have to do is to simply launch the settings application on your Apple TV. First, after you launch the settings app, these are the options you will see. Go to this option called AirPlay and Apple Home in this case. Currently, you can see I have AirPlay disabled. The thing with AirPlay is that you can stream what's on your iOS device or Mac to this Apple TV. So you can simply enable AirPlay over here, and under Allow Access, you could set this to anyone on the same network. So anyone on the same network is actually generally a safer option because you will be casting within your own place and your own home, and not everybody will have access to someone. And if you're living with really close neighbors right from one place or right from one room to the next, in that case they could cause interference with your TV. So you can set this to anyone with the same network. And you can turn on conference room display, AirPlay display underscan, and peer-to-peer wireless settings as well. As for Apple Home, you can also basically select your room if you wish to. That's all for this video. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.